In this demo, we're going to talk about enhanced pipelines, and we're going to do some automation and scripting using Azure DevOps and the CAEPE CLI. So what we're going to do is take our group of clusters where we've got our deployment, and we're going to integrate that with our Azure DevOps and the CAEPE CLI to push our logo update to our production servers. So coming back to our CAEPE dashboard, we have our web shop that we created in a previous demo. And we have our two servers that are part of this in our group. So this is our shop production group, which is our EKS US East and our AKS Southeast Asia servers. So if we take a quick look at our servers, we can see that we have our current deployment, and I'll draw your attention to the blue cat on the front here. So, and again, here's our AKS. So if we go to our web shop, and we've decided that we want to change our image, I actually think that we're going to get a better response from our red cat. So we'll go to our files and let's just edit our main page here. And let's search for our CAEPE cat. And what I want to do now is just change this from blue to red. And I'm going to commit this. So this is then going to run our standard DevOps pipeline. So if we take a quick look here, we can see this running. Now this is just going to build our container in the background ready for us to release. The important bit that we want to look at is when we come into our release here. So let's just take a quick look at our release. I'm just going to the edit screen here and show you what we've got. So here, what we have in our script is we're just bringing in the CAEPE agent. And I've got some variables, which for obvious reasons, I'm not going to show you because we have sensitive data in here. But what we have is our client ID and client secret. Then we have our binary, our Linux binary. And what we're just doing is a login against our organization. Then in order to actually release our deployment, what we then have is we're going to issue a deployment rollout against the deployment name, which is web shop, and against our host, which is our CAEPE server with our demo organization. And just in order so that we can see a little bit more, what I've got is the debug mode on. So let's just come back to our releases, take a quick look at our release here, and we can see that it's executing and it's in deployment at the moment. So it's just finishing off pulling down the CAEPE tool and installing that into the agent that's running. And then from there, it'll just quickly log into the CAEPE server and get a login token and then continue. Okay, so our release is finished here. Let's come back to our application. Here's our EKS server, and we can see we have a red cat. And here's our AKS server, and we can see we have a red cat. Thank you for watching this demo, and I hope it was useful in giving you a good sense of how CAEPE helps developers and teams be more efficient and effective when it comes to deploying applications on Kubernetes. For more resources on CAEPE, visit caepe.sh/start-here or book a meeting with our experts through the email address shown on screen.